Okay, this one arrived like this, which is promising. This is a very old model that I got for a good, cheap price. It's actually the old mold of the A320, Gemini's A320. Packaged very nicely. Let's see what the date on this box is. G2DAL328 is the model. Looks like good packaging. Wow. (2016). So this is the same age as my 767. That picture on the box is even different. Very nice. The stand is different. That's the old stand. I don't even know how it works, to be honest with you. Very interesting. Here goes nothing. Here it is. This is a very old model. This is very intriguing. Old Northwest plane. Yeah, wow. Oh, it's light. Wow. Wow. Yeah, definitely a different mold than the new release. Look at how different that is. Nice tight wing gap. Nice finish. Nice antennas. Nice finish on the CFM 56 engines. Mostly nice finish, I should say. Nice. Very nice. rolls good. Very, very different approach to the A320 than the new model. Different mold. So I'm going to put this on a different stand. Nice. Let's go put it next to the new one and see how it compares. So just for fun, 777-200 from United and the A320. Kind of a size comparison for you. Here is the A320. Very good model. Very good. This is definitely the old release of the model. None of them are perfect, but like this does show its quality control than the new release. So here's the new one. Let's see, we have that different nose shape on the newer release. There's the gear. The engines are matte, but they definitely have more detail on them. Fan blades are a bit different. The antennas are different. You can see that antenna hole. We got the sat dome on top. But you see the difference in shape there. From the nose. So, bring this one down. The new one is also heavy as hell. It's ridiculous how heavy it is. Why it's so heavy, I'm not sure. There you go. The old A320 mold and the new A320 mold. Neither of them perfect. But I like both of them. Happy to have both of them. We got N376 Northwest and N374 Northwest. Very cool. So this stand is horrible. I'm not going to use it, but you can really see the difference between the nose shapes. So you can pick which one you like better. But it's up to you. 777-200, which won't come in focus, and the rest of the collection. More to come soon. Thanks for watching. Peace.